every child is unique. Every child learns differently. Every child has strengths, interests, and dreams waiting to be discovered and supported. Across the Philippines, families nurture these possibilities every day, encouraging their children to learn, grow, and participate in their communities. But unlocking a child's full potential often begins with access to the right support at the right time.
Proud po ako sa anak ko kasi po sweet, mabait na bata.
Nautusan din po kahit hindi po nakakapagsalita. Marunong po siya sa gawaing bahay.
Mayroong laruan, tapos yung may mga bata na makahalubilo niya, yun lang, masaya na siya.
Napakalambing niya, napakabait. Tsaka pag madali siyang matuto.
Araw-araw po ang kanyang ginagawa ay mahilig siya sa manumero, mga alphabet, lagi siyang naglalaro.
For many families, accessing developmental assessment and specialized support is costly and not accessible. Services are often concentrated in larger urban centers, making them difficult to reach for families living in more remote communities.
Dati po, hindi pa po ako naniniwala na ganyan po siya sa kadami-dami po ng tao. Bakit yung anak ko po nagkaroon ng autism?
Sana sa sarili ko, sana may dumating na tulong.
Iniisip ko bakit nangyari yun sa anak ko. Kaya nag-search ako sa YouTube. Tinignan ko doon kung mga posibleng dahilan tsaka kung ano yung pwedeng maitulong sa kanya.
Tapos yun, napansin ko yung likod niya parang sobrang hyper talaga. So naisipan ko kasi nagtanong-tanong ako sa mga SPED, mga teachers, ganun. So sila yung nag-recommend sa akin intervention.
At saka po, dumating yung araw na may information ako regarding po yung sa DSWD, nga yung daycare caravan, yung kapitbahay po namin. Kasi nakikita na din niya, may iba din yung, I decided na papuntahin ko talaga kasi saan naman ako makakahanap yung mga doktor nandun na lahat at saka free na po. Nakikita ko yung mga ibang bata, yung mga ibang nanay. Tapos po, nalaman ko na po yung anak ko is may autism po talaga level 2.
Children from 0 to 5 years old is very critical in the investment on persons with disability because it was during this time that it's what we call the window period wherein the development of all children's opportunities are ongoing. So it is crucial for us to have early diagnosis at that age so that proper interventions and rehabilitations can be given. We know that there are like limitations or functional limitations or ailments or disabilities, but the disability can be minimized when we diagnose it early, and proper intervention and treatment should be given at that early stage. Well, Careban is important because we are trying to invest on our children. And it's also a doorway for other programs and services for persons with disability. However, there's a gap in the diagnosis here in the Philippines. We only have 107 developmental pedia catering for all the children in the Philippines. So, would you imagine, for those children living in the far-flung places, they haven't seen a developmental pedia in their entire lives. It's a one-stop shop. So, we have rehabilitation doctors, occupational therapists, speech pathologists. We even have clinical psychologists. So, that's the beauty of having this caravan. It's a one-stop shop, and we are here saying to the family and to the child that we know what you're going through, we understand, and we are here with you. You're not alone in your journey.
Yung natutunan ko, kailangan matyaga ka lang sa pagtuturo sa anak mo, tsaka mataas ang pasyensya mo.
Di na nato mapugos kung unsa ang ihaging kinaiya, mao na gina siya. So dawaton kung unsa iyang pagkatao, yung paghanto siyang pagdako.
Ngayon po, masanda na po ako kung ano man ang hinaharap.
Mas madali para sa akin kung ano ang dapat gawin na matulungan sila ng mas maayos.
Natanggap ko sa sarili ko, dapat tulungan ko na lang po siya. Gagayad ko na lang po siya para ang pagiging future niya ay maganda po.
Inclusion begins with access. And it becomes possible when families, communities, government, and partners work together to remove barriers and expand opportunities.